In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this bouncing text animation in After Effects. First, open up After Effects, then select your type tool and type anything you'd like onto your timeline. Center it with the Align panel, then select the text layer, hit P to open position, and move to the start of the timeline. Click the stopwatch next to position to set your first keyframe at the beginning of your video. Now move your text up until it is off screen. Move your timeline ahead about 15 frames, then drag your text down, moving the text slightly below the final spot, like it's an overshoot. Now move forward about 5 more frames and add another keyframe, putting it back at its final resting spot. Then select all 4 keyframes by clicking and dragging, and press the F9 key to easy ease it. Then click the graph editor button found here. Pull the handles to make the movement fast at first and then ease in at the end, kind of like this. Exit out of your graph editor and hit S to bring up the scale. Uncheck unified movement, and then at the moment of impact, set your height to 46%. And then 5 frames later, set that back to 100%. And make sure to easy ease this in as well. Then apply this effect to all text layers you want to be affected. And that's how you create a text bounce effect to make it look like it has real weight to it. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow for another video editing tutorial.